that I'm going to show you that we're going to do inside, but this one is for outside or even inside if you like. However, I'm using the ball that we created with the grocery bag or a pair of socks, whichever one that you have. I've also put my tag that we created from the cereal box. This says begin. This is where you're going to start your step. So remember, it's 4 steps. So you're going to go step with the hand where the ball's at, step, opposite foot, step where the ball's at, step, release. Remember, you go down to release the ball. Okay? So we're going to do those steps one more time.
Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
All right, boys and girls, Coach G made a strike on the first try. Doesn't mean if you don't make one, you keep trying. Remember, you get 2 chances to knock them all down. So I want you to go ahead and create this game. On the last video on Monday, you had the instructions on how to create your pins. Remember, you can use a sock, you can use the ball. I used a jump rope for my bumper guards, just in case all this material comes back into play. Boys and girls, have a good time playing bowling.
It's going down, I'm yelling timber. You better move, you better dance. Let's make a night, you won't remember. I'll be the one.
Hi, boys and girls. We're inside now to do our bowling inside. We're going to use our bowling pins that we made out of the toilet paper rolls. Your designs, I've seen some, they're really nice. And our ball. Remember we made a ball for our tennis? Or you can use a ball of foil paper inside. I still have the release portion. However, you're not going to take the 4 steps like we did outside because we're actually in a more little smaller space. So you're just going to release, but you cannot pass up the word release. So your hand will stay even with it or in front, right here in front of it, not behind it. I also have the jump ropes for our gutter. So if you're ready, we're going to try this game.